The absolute like serotonin boost from driving it, it's something special. It's an indescribable feeling to have such a privilege to drive a really cool car. My name is Kate Dawson and we're in my 1956 Morris Oxford Series 2. The car was manufactured in 1956. It was sort of the Mercedes and BMW of 1956. I'm actually yet to find anyone else in Victoria with this car. It's got trafficators on the side which still work. I think it makes it quite unique that no one else has got one. The day that I saw it in person, I had it bought on a tow truck. It was due 5 minutes before I had my shift at McDonald's. Waited until the very last minute and actually was late for work because I just wanted to see the car pull up in the driveway. When I first saw it, it was like love it. Genuinely, it was love at first sight. Like I looked at this car and I was like, I'm gonna go to so many different places in this car. Like this thing, everyone's gonna know me as that chick in the Mori. Everyone's gonna know me as that 20-year-old chick in the Mori. The condition that the car came in was definitely a lot worse than we thought it was when we bought it. It had no interior, it was missing the back window. It also had a completely cracked front window. It took me 1 day short of 2 years of its gotcha day that I got it registered and on the road. Worked on it from day one, the minute it came home pretty much. This is not the first project that I worked on. The first project I worked on was with my dad and his 1964 EH Holden. I had so much help from my dad and I've had my partner help me as well, which has been amazing. Like, I've done a lot of this myself, but I wouldn't be able to do it without, you know, the major support of my mum and dad and my brother and partner. All of the work was done here in my driveway and shed. So every day for those 2 years, it was all here. It never left. Everything's been either repainted or a new part or a refurbished part. Me and Dad worked really hard and it's more than just the car from me. It's the time that I got to spend working with my family members and I get to show that to the world and it makes me super stoked. I learnt so much. It really inspired me to start my own car community. I actually started my own community known as Ladies Cruising Classics. And I've just learned that, you know, you can really do anything you put your mind to, and I hope to inspire others with that one. I don't believe the car will ever be finished. I think a project always stays a project. There's always something to do to it, and I think that's what keeps the dream and motivation going.